This guide will walk you through the process of how to edit a backup schedule for Asana using FluentPro Backup. When the schedule is created for Asana, the selected projects will be backed up automatically. With time, you may need to add more projects to your Asana environment. If you didn't select to back up all data, you will need to include these projects to the backup. Or if you selected all projects, you may need to exclude the unnecessary ones. Also, you may want to change the backup frequency. For this, open the Backup Schedule page. To edit the backup frequency, select how often backups should start. First, for the modified entities, every 4, 8 or 12 hours. And then how often you need to include the unmodified items to the backup file. Next, update the backup content as needed. If you selected specific projects for backup, click on the number link under the selected option. Select the projects and add them for backup. If you selected all projects, you can exclude the ones you don't need to backup any longer. Click the Ignored option. Choose the projects you need to exclude from being backed up. In this case, all projects apart from the selected ones will be backed up. Teams for selected projects and all users will be included in the backup. Make sure the notification email is accurate. You can change it or add more emails to the list. Save the changes. You can initiate an immediate backup run to save the newly selected items to the backup file.